Ruby. Welcome back to Ruby's Toys R Us. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. And if you ain't new to my channel, how's it going? How was you guys this weekend? I want to know. Put it in the comment down below. Anyway, I didn't do the giveaway because no one commented, so I'm gonna wait to do the giveaway. So sorry if you were looking forward to it, but I'm not gonna do the giveaway because no one has did any red hearts on the video, so we're just gonna move on until we get there. But as you can see here, we have a new Lego set here, and it's the burger truck, and it comes with 194 pieces, so this should be fun. I think this is the most I had. I think it is, but let's get into it. Okay, so we have the front of this. I think this one is so cool. I can't wait to dive into this. And this is the side of it, and these are like numbers you can figure out. So if you were looking for like a Lego set like this one, all you have to do is type in like Lego and then like type in like the number that's on the side of it, and then you'll find it. And this is the back. Nothing too fancy, but it is pretty cool. So it looks like you could take this off and it could be like, you know, a little street vendor. How cute. Alright, so let's smash these in. Okay. Alright, so we have our first baggie. We're gonna put our second baggie away for now. And they also come with the second instruction for the burger. We're gonna put this away too. And we're gonna work on our truck here. So let's open up. Let's see what we got. I always do my little person first, but in this case I might not, because it might be everything. The piece looks like he's right here. It looks like he's right in here where his head is. You know what, we're just gonna open, and if he's not in there, then we will wait to the end of the video to open him. I like getting like the little pieces out the way first, so it looks like we got his body over here, and we got his legs, so okay, cool. So we could make him real quickly. Where'd your head go? I saw your head. What he looks like, or she looks like. I think it's a girl. How cool is that? And her hair comes with her hat, so her hat's attached to her head. Okay, let me her hair. So how cool is that? And there we go. The back of her. Nothing fancy about her, but she is adorable. I think I like her glasses. And she has little freckles. You can see there. Alright. Moving on. Oh yeah, she has a little fork. Where's your fork so I don't lose it? Right here. Here's her little fork. So just her little fork. I want to lose it, so I'm going to put it right in her hand now, so we don't lose that part. Oh, we lost her head though. Come on. All set. Okay. Sorry for that. It took a little minute. Alright. But we are moving on to bigger things. Okay, so let's do this piece here. This blue piece, and this piece here. These two big yellow pieces go on the side. We want them to be right here. And we need these two. We need two of these. Here we are. Okay, so I'm trying to figure this out. It's looking like it wants me to do this. Yeah, okay. Just wanted to make sure. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. Okay. Good. Good. Now we need two little brown pieces like this. And we're gonna need like a red piece and a green piece. Okay, so what are we doing? Doing this. And right here. So like that. Bring this red piece here. And look like we're placing it on top like that, yep. And we need this green piece to go right in the middle here. I love the colors, by the way. I really do. I think it comes together nicely. I like these colors. Okay, so now we have like the back of the tires. That's what I want us to do, like just like that. Just snap these babies on, just like that. So your car should be looking like this now. And then now we need these. We need two of these, and we're gonna need this brown piece. Oops, and this brown piece and two of these. Alright, so I think he wants us to leave space like that. And put in this. Looking like this. Should be like this picture right here on the end. Alright, so now we need these two pieces here, these two yellow pieces, and this gray piece right here. Okay? Perfect. So you need two beige pieces like this, two black pieces like that, and you need a brown piece like this, and a brown piece like this. Just like that. Alright. Now I need these two. So your thing should be looking like this now. Make sure all your work you did is good. I like to double check, make sure before I move on to the next step. So make sure you're doing it right. So yeah, you need two more black ones like this. And you just gotta clip them right here. But now you should be looking like this. Sorry for the noise. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they're doing construction, but it's getting it away. Alright, now we're step 20. And we need one black piece here. We don't need this. We need two red things like this. And put them on the end. And we need like this piece, look like a grill type of thingy. So we're gonna put it right here. But it looks like it's facing this way. So I think it doesn't matter, but no, it matters. So it should look like that. Next step, so we need a brown piece again. Put it here. short snaps on. There we go. And we need this solid gray piece. Do it right in the middle. And we need 2 more gray pieces that look like this. Just make sure your pieces are going the right way. Oops. I look like my light went off, but we're gonna continue and then I'll try to fix it. We're gonna continue to the next part and then we'll fix it. But what you should be looking like. Okay. Alright, so you need 2 brown pieces and 2 of these, and you want to face them this way. So they should be looking like this. And the other one. Perfect. So now you have 2. This, however, is going on the front here. I didn't put it there. But this is going on the front. That goes on the front. Oops, I have it upside down. Alright. That goes on the front just like that. Okay. And then these go on the side here. So there you go. So now your truck should be looking like this. Alright, so we're moving on. So now we need 2 of these. And it looks like they're going like a perimeter around here. So okay, and then we need these 2 green ones here. Okay, one going like this way, and the other is going this way. Alright, it should look like this. This piece. We need this piece and this piece. We want this to go here. Want that piece going there, and want this piece going right on top of here. So now we should be looking at that. And then we got 2 black ones, and they're going right here. This is a big pamphlet. Okay. I already picked it out. Okay. Alright, so we need a base here. And we need 2 of these gray ones again to go right here. And 2 of these clear ones. Just like that. I need a brown one. Put it right here. Again. We're gonna do the same thing for this part here. The grill of the car. And just go ahead and do the same thing for step 35. Alright. Now we got our car grill with lights. Like that. And we're putting it this way. Nice. And these look like they're going this way. So you need 2 black ones like that. Alright, so we're on 38 and 39. So we need this gray piece and these 2 black pieces right here. Okay. Alright, so this gray piece is telling me to put this on top of here. Yeah, like that. Okay. And let's go here. So you should be looking like this. So far, I like this one because of, you know, the hamburger, you know, it's gonna be fun to have like a little street vendor. Okay, so moving on, so we need this brown piece again, and you need 2 of these clear ones. Okay, and we're gonna put them right here, this brown one right here, and the 2 clear ones, whoops, and the 2 clear ones on the side. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments down below. And then we need this black piece here, and the black piece is going this way, just like that. Okay, we are secure. So we need these doors. These like little doors. So this one's going this way, and this one's going this way. Okay, and then we need our steering wheel going right here. This piece and this piece. Alright, so just like that. Awesome. And then our last one is right here. Okay. Okay, so we need these pieces going like this. And the other side like that. Now I'm going back off, but that's okay because you can still see. Cool, nice. We're gonna bang this part out pretty good. Then we're gonna move on to the vendor. Okay, so we need 2 of these, and these 2, and I think that should be it. Put them on the side like that. And these go right here. And this is going in. This piece going right here, I believe. Yep, like that. Okay. And this is going right on top. So, just right on, there we go. And then we have our tires, and we are done. Try to do my tires like always. And you're just gonna snap them on just again. So like that. So you want this part on this side. Push it in. There you go. Here we have our truck. Yes. And we should be looking like this. And then we put our little vendor on the top. cute. Okay, moving on to part 2. Part 2 now. We got our pamphlet here. Dump you guys in. His head over the seat. Okay. Right here. And I'm gonna put these in the packaging for now. I don't have nothing else. Okay, so we already know we gotta do our person. I will show you him in a minute. I'm gonna do him real quick so he's out the way. He's awesome. He's cute. He's like a little headpiece. He's like a little headpiece on like, and where's your pants? Here we are. He's pretty cool. Alright. We'll put you to the side out there. Alright. The holly hook. Okay, so we need this piece here. Right, we're starting off with that. And then, okay. We're going in there. Got this piece here. This piece going here. And these 2 small pieces of brown on the side. I need 2 of these and 2 more of those brown pieces. Okay. Where are ya? Here we go. And hang on. Alright, okay. We need these, so we have to open it. So we can't save it. We have to open it because we don't do anything here. Anyway, we'll still have to make our little hamburger. But we need, I think, 8 of these to go on the side. And I'm all over the place, guys. Sorry. I'm just excited. Okay. So we need 8 of these. Going on the side here. You want them to go on this part. And then last time we're using a black piece, and it's going like right here. Alright. Okay, so we need like a little piece like this, pretty flat, and we need a little gray piece and a big gray piece. Alright, so we need like this little gray piece, look like a calculator. Cute. And a little calculator going this way. Put it up there. And that's going right here. And this is going right here. Okay. So we need this piece, and it's going right here. And we need this little pressure cooker timer thingy right here. And then this is just a little ketchup bottle stand, so we're gonna put this right here. There we go. Okay, I need 4 of these and we're placing them right here, like this. So you want like the diamond part to be outwards, like that. There we go. So you want them to look like that. And then you want these red pieces on the end here. On this side, you want your little tower thingy going right here. And then our door. Our door is going right here. I'll show you a bit like this. There you go. A little door. Oops. There we go. Okay. And these are going on the side here, these black thingies. Like the wall, I guess, on top of the little vendor. Yeah. And then these purple ones, or pink ones, if you see them as pink, are going right here. Just like that. Your shop should be looking like this now. So you have your little door to come in, and yeah, my door keeps falling off, but that's okay. It's not broken. Part 18, and we need 4 of these brown ones, and we're gonna put them on the side. Here, they just go snap on. There we go. Just like that. Okay, and then we need these two of these brown ones here, and it looks like we're doing it. One right here to hold the door, and one right here in the middle. Okay. Alright, so we need 4 of these. And we're going around. Okay, so we're gonna start right here, and then I can get the chests. I guess I want to confuse myself, so that's why I'm just checking my work here. Did I do it right? Was I put that 3 of those? I think I was. But there's not a 3rd one. Okay, we're just gonna keep moving on. We'll have to find that one later. Okay, I'm gonna go back and double check my work real quick, guys. So I double checked my work, so the brown one's supposed to go on the black, like, wall. So that's where I got confused. Okay. See what I'm saying? Always double check your work, so then you won't have it correctly. Okay, so you need these 3 yellow ones here, and you want them to go like that. So these 2 ones stay out. So you need 2 of these yellow ones and 2 of these solid black, brown ones, sorry. Put them here. Oops. Oh no. Hold on. Back. Okay, so now we're doing the brown one. So I go right here. One on there. One going back there. Like that. And we have 2 yellow ones. We need 2 yellow ones, sorry. And we're gonna place them right here. Alright. And now you need 4 of these yellow ones. Like that. Okay. I hate when they don't snap on sometimes because it's hard. You gotta like press down really hard on them. You know what I mean? We got our cheese. Okay. Now this is out of the way. And we're moving on to the next stage. There we go. Alright, so we need our base. Our brown base here. And we need 1 of these. Go in the corner. Like that. Like that. And we need 2 going on the side of it. 2 slow ones go on the side. Beautiful, right? Now we're going to put this little white piece here. It's going right here in the front of it. And then this is going on top. And this is the other side. So it should be looking like that. Okay, so now you need 4 of these. 1 of these. 2 going on this side. And this one will go on this side. Nice. And same thing to close it. Two. Alright, so we got our top. And then now we get me 6 of these. Let's go on top. Okay, so you want one like here. You want one right here. Basically a pattern, guys. One right here. One right here. One right here. And one more in the middle. Like that. Yeah, just like that. It looked like it's off center, but that's how they wanted it, so yep. And now I'm gonna bring this back. Oops. Put this on top like that. Just like that. And the last step is to just put these 2 together to make our sign. Voila. For a second. And put it. Okay, hold on. We almost got it wrong. Come on. Upside down. And place it like that. Now we have our hamburger. We have our hamburger. How cool is that? And then lastly, we have to do is our hamburger right here. So I'm gonna do that one, and then we will end today's video. Be right back. All right, the base. That. Gotta find the right angle it. There we go. Boom. We have our burger. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. You let me know what you guys think of today's video. I honestly had so much fun making this. They seemed pretty easy, was pretty simple. We did have little bumps again, but that's okay, you know? I mean, everything's not gonna be perfect, but I do love the little cheeseburger. It was so cute to make. Simple, fast, you know? And the little figurines are cute too. I wish I can get her to stand like this, but I can't. And I wish I could get him to stand like that, but I don't want him to fall with the cheeseburger, so it's okay. I could have him standing still. But she's offered him some ketchup, so how nice of her. And I just think this one was really cute and fun. I really love the sign. I think it's perfect. This is just really cute. I don't know how else to describe it, you know? It's a little cheeseburger truck, like, it's cute. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you are new looking in onto this video, I hope you subscribe and you stay, and also if you're new, if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to comment, feel free to, and please share. Please tell your friends about this one, or any other one you come across of mine, and yeah, but I also hope you guys had an awesome week.